Vector subspaces. Let V be a vector space over the field F and let W is subset or equal to V. Then W is said to be a subspace of V. If W itself is a vector space over F with respect to the operations of vector addition and scalar multiplication in V. So here V of F is a vector space, then W is subset or equal to V, then W is also a vector space over the same field F under vector addition and scalar multiplication. Then W is said to be a subspace of V. Next, types of subspaces. Trivial subspaces. If V is a vector space, then V subset are equal to V and 0 set is also subset are equal to V. So, V and 0 set are also subspaces of V. Then these two subspaces are called trivial subspaces of V. Trivial subspaces of V. And here 0 set subspace is called 0 subspace of V. Then non-trivial subspaces. Non-trivial subspaces. Other than these two subspaces of V are called non-trivial subspaces. Theorem statement. A non-empty subset W of a vector space V of F, then W is a subspace of V if and only if A comma B belongs to F, alpha comma beta belongs to W, then A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. Proof. Necessary part. Suppose W is a subspace of a vector space V of F, then W itself is a vector space over F with respect to vector addition and scalar multiplication in V. This is the definition of subspace. Hence, W is a closed under addition and scalar multiplication. So, let A comma B belongs to F and alpha comma beta belongs to W. Then A belongs to F, alpha belongs to W, that implies A alpha belongs to W from the scalar multiplication. B belongs to F, beta belongs to W, that implies B beta belongs to W. Then A alpha comma B beta belongs to W, that implies A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. Since W is closed, so alpha comma beta belongs to W, that implies A alpha plus beta belongs to W. Closed property. So A alpha comma B beta belongs to W, that implies A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. Sufficient part. Conversely, suppose that W is a non-empty subset of V such that A comma B belongs to F, alpha comma beta belongs to W. We can prove A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. So when satisfied this condition, we can show that W is a subspace of V. So let alpha comma beta belongs to W. Now 1 comma 1 belongs to F, that means A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Alpha comma beta belongs to W, that implies 1 A alpha plus B beta, that is equal to alpha plus beta belongs to W. Therefore, W is closed under addition. Next, let alpha belongs to W. Now 0 comma 0 belongs to F and alpha comma alpha belongs to W. That implies again here A equal to 0, B equal to 0. So A alpha plus B beta belongs to W, that is equal to 0 belongs to W. That implies 0 belongs to W. So W plus is identity. So additive identity element is 0. Next, let alpha belongs to W, minus 1 comma 0 belongs to F, alpha comma alpha belongs to W. Here A equal to minus 1, B equal to 0. Then A alpha plus B beta belongs to W, that is minus alpha plus 0 belongs to W. So minus alpha belongs to W. Therefore, W plus is inverse. So additive inverse of alpha is minus alpha. So additive identity and additive inverse 0 comma minus 1 are same in vector space V. So same as in subspace W. So additive identity element and additive inverse elements are same in vector space and subspace. Let alpha, beta, gamma belongs to W. Alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma belongs to W, and W is subset or equal to V. So these three elements belongs to W. W is subset V means alpha, beta, gamma belongs to V. V is vector space. So it satisfies associative property. So then W plus is associative. Next, let alpha comma beta belongs to W and W subset are equal to V. Alpha beta same belongs to V. V is vector space, satisfies commutative property. Then W plus is commutative. So W plus is an abelian group under vector addition and scalar vector addition. Let A belongs to F, alpha belongs to W. Now A comma 0 belongs to F, alpha comma alpha belongs to W. That implies A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. That means A alpha plus 0 belongs to W. Then A alpha belongs to W. So W is closed under scalar multiplication. Next, let A comma B belongs to F, alpha comma beta belongs to W. Then W is subset or equal to V. That implies alpha comma beta belongs to V also. So V is a vector space, satisfies these properties. A into alpha plus beta equal to A alpha plus A beta. A plus B into alpha equal to A alpha plus B alpha. A B into alpha equal to A into B alpha. 1 into alpha equal to alpha. So from this all properties we said W is a vector space with respect to the operations vector addition and scalar multiplication of V of F. Therefore W is a subspace of V of F. Hence proved.